Good evening, people. Good evening, people. Good evening, people. Welcome back. Welcome back. I said welcome back to the SKGS Incorporated YouTube channel. It's your host SK again, and today I have a special video, right? Where today we're going to be trading Volatility 75, the Volatility 75 index specifically, right? I know that we normally do NASDAQ analysis, but today we have a special video where we're going to be trading VIX 75, right? Okay, so let's get straight into the video and not waste time. So we're going to be analyzing the VIX 75 index, right? Okay, so what do we have here, people? What do we have? Okay, so VIX has been on an uptrend for the last couple of days, right? And VIX is currently at this level here, right? Okay, so when we look at this, what do we see? Okay, so what we see is that obviously VIX has been trending, right? VIX broke this previous high over here, yeah? And when it broke that high, it created a new high, right? So what are we looking for VIX to do now? We are going to be using our trend lines to see the direction of VIX and where it could possibly go, okay? So let me just change the color of this specific trend line to black. Okay, so we have our first trend line there, and then we're going to be drawing our second trend line, right? As you can see, VIX has been on an uptrend according to this specific channel and these trend lines. So what are we looking for VIX 75 to do? We are looking for VIX 75 to start selling, yeah? And VIX 75 will start selling at this specific level, right? So we are looking for VIX 75 to sell from there, from level, I think it's 360,190. And our take profit is going to be here at the previous high, right? Which is the high, the previous high of this actual up, what do you call it? This channel, right? So we are looking for our take profit to be here at level 327,454, right? Obviously, VIX is way different to NASDAQ and the price levels are way different. VIX does not behave like a currency pair, does not behave like gold, does not behave like NASDAQ, right? VIX behaves according to its own rules. VIX is traded from Monday to Sunday, 24/7, right? 24/7, 7 days a week, right? Yeah, 24/7 is 7 days a week, right? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's VIX 75 for you, right? And like I said, VIX is not like currency pairs, NASDAQ, or even gold. VIX behaves its own way, right? VIX is not affected by the news. VIX is not affected by whatever. VIX just does its own thing, right? Okay, so let's get back to the actual analysis. So our stop loss would be about here at 366,059, right? So, like I said again, our entry is at 306,190. Our take profit is at level 327,454, and our stop loss is at level 366,190, right? Let me just make this more clear so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, so our take profit is here. Let me just need to label take profit. Yeah, I want to label the take profit. Okay, so our take profit is at this level here. Yeah, as you can see. Let me just write it. Yeah, our take profit is going to be down here. Let me just fix this quickly. But our take profit is going to be all the way down here, as you can see, because we predict VIX 75 to start selling and come all the way down here, right? Okay. So this is going to be our trade for VIX 75, and we will see what it chooses to do. And just know, guys, I'll be doing more VIX 75 trading videos, and I'll show you guys how to trade VIX 75, how to master VIX 75, because VIX 75 is very, very profitable, guys. It's one of the most profitable trading instruments that you can trade, and it's very cheap to actually open trades on VIX 75, right? Even though VIX 75 is very profitable, it's also very easy to lose money on VIX, but you can literally trade with the lowest amounts of money on VIX 75, right? Okay, so yeah, this is the trade, and we will see what VIX 75 chooses to do. As you guys know, I always show you the before and after of trades and show you what exactly is going to happen. And you guys know I always give the fire analysis and I always give the sniper entries, and we are always winning out here. And just so you know, guys, if you want to trade the Volatility 75 index, the broker to trade is called deriv.com, right? I will leave the link of the broker in the description. It is deriv.com. That is the only broker where you can trade VIX 75, right? There's no other broker that offers VIX 75. Yeah. So, and also VIX 75 is only on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can't get it on MetaTrader 4. It's only on MetaTrader 5, and it can only be found on the deriv.com broker. Okay. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I will show you the updates of this trade, and we will see what VIX 75 actually did and how it performed. Let me just increase the stop loss a little bit. Still on 366,000, but yeah, I would say that is perfect. Okay, see you in the next video, and I'll show you the updates of this actual trade.